Kuri aria mariho ni muthenya matenda kuririkana ona thengia wa gukorwo ni giko gitagatharika meciria-ini mao. Muthenya uria itoi cia gikundi kia Al-Shabaab ciarokire gutabania Tharikiria University ya Garissa na kuraga arutwo 148, aingi ao mari a dini ya Gikristo. Tharikira iyo iri ya mbere gutabanirio thukuru-ini ihinda-ini kiria kwari na mikana meingi kuma gikundi-ini giki gia itoi ya gutabania Tharikira wabici-ini na hongi-ini cia thirikari thutha wa mbirarũ cia guku bururi-ini gukorwo itumitwo bururi-ini wa Somalia kurua na gikundi giki. Kiroko kiu arutwo methagathaga kwambiriria muthenya wao ta mutugo uria itoi 4 ciatabanirie Tharikira iyo igereire riigiriro-ini ria thukuru ucio uria ciarathire na kuraga maabitha ugitiri riigiriro-ini riu na thutha ucio guthie imwe kwa imwe nginyagia rumu-ini ria Kristiano mahoyagira na makimauraga othe na njira ya kumaratha. Miaka 3 thutha ucio University ya Garissa ni rugamite sheni nyumba ya toro iria yari itumiro ria rithathi miaka 3 mithiru yakitwo weru na riigiriro ria nyumba iyo rigakorwo riakitwo weru niguo kwigita itoi ici gugakora arutwo aya ringi. Na ritaũririkano wa arutwo aria makuire hindi ya Tharikira ino gugakorwo gwakitwo ihiga riri riria riri na maritwa mothe 148 undu uria arutwo aria mari ku ihinda-ini riri marauga ni undu matangienda wicokere.
Okay, once I see the monument, it gives me a memory of the departed 148 souls, and it does not give me any worry at all because it just reminds me of people who once existed in this institution trying to get the academic success but were killed by the cowardly Al-Shabaab.
It was so bad first to come in to find the monument in the first place, just to remember those lost souls, 148 students, the same thing, sleeping in the same hostels. You see, we were like, in fact I was thinking of maybe transferring to another school. That's from the pressure from my parents, but at long last I just decided to settle here and trust in God that all will be well.
Ona thengia wa ukorwo gutire na arutwo aingi university-ini iyo kuma riria yahingũrirwo ringi mweri-ini wa Januari mwaka-ini wa 2016 urugamiriri wa thukuru ucio uri na mwihoko ati arutwo ni megwitikira kwiyandikithia kuo amu kuri na arimu a kuigana.
But here they have you know the luxury of even seeing the vice chancellor, where in other universities you can't even get to the dean or to the head of department, even for the strikes that are going on. Last year there was a strike in all the universities. It did not affect our calendar. We were able to finish on time and close on time, give student exams on time. This time also we were able to go to give students exams on time. So we are now preparing for the exams, and in the next 2 weeks, early April, we have our exams, and we will close for the second semester. Looking forward to again open in September for the new group who are going to come in.
We are very much aware the environment we are living in and the security challenges we are facing or we have faced in the past, and that is a priority to this council. And on the ground we are putting on a security fence, a modern security fence with a wall and the other requisite, and we are also putting in place, or there is already in place appropriate IT infrastructure to enhance university security.
Na atongoria mwena ucio magicakaya giko kiu kiria giatigire arutwo aingi aria mari rucio rwa bururi makuite na kwiranira ni meguthie na mbere na kuheana uteithio wao gutigira aria mari kuo ni marikia mathomo mao hatari mihinga.
All of us together, Kenya and all the international community must work together and bring resources and intelligence, share intelligence and fight Al-Shabaab and all other terror groups. Garissa University is safe, thanks to the government of Kenya and the community, and we have said Garissa University will go places. One day Garissa University will be like Harvard School of Law or any other university, or like Nairobi University and Moi University.
The people who can give out information, who can know what's happening because they reside there and they know who comes to that town, who's a stranger, they understand. If there are mutual relationship working together and locals and you know the security apparatus, and I think nobody can infiltrate between them.
Iguru wa macio mothe hari bata aciari kumenya ciana ciao amwe na gũtuĩka tharĩkĩra ĩno yatabanirio nĩ gĩkundi kĩa Al-Shabaab arĩa manyitire itemi marĩ arutwo erĩ kuma university-inĩ ya Nairobi na arĩa marĩ aciarwo a kaunti ya Mandera na aruna ao erĩ arĩa marĩ aciarwo a kaunti ya Garissa. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩta Kamau wa Mwangi.